I'm really excited to bring you these Monday morning fabrics. Navy blue is a key base for fall 2025, and navy with neutral colors. So these navy's coordinates are just absolutely beautiful. We've gotten them in. I'm really excited to show them to you. They're all at $19.99. I mean, let me show them. Okay, so this is the little dot. Not only is navy strong, but polka dots are strong. So this is just right in style. This is like a little tiny dot. It's a viscose, 100% viscose. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Then we have this little larger dot that coordinates with it. It also is 100% viscose, woven, great drape, beautiful. You could do pants. Anything's going to work really well with that. Then we have this third dot, which again, navy dot. This is a stretch woven, 100% cotton. So great transition fabric because it's a cotton, yet it's a fall color. This works really well. Again, $19.99. You guys, these are just giveaway prices. I just love this stuff. And then this is just really beautiful. Again, this is a wool. It's got a little bit of acrylic in it, but it's a stretch. Perfect for pants, jacket, almost just anything. The quality of this fabric is extraordinary. For $19.99, it literally is a giveaway. Remember, those prices are only good for 2 days. This is 100% cotton, a plaid. It's a navy and a brown. So again, these browns and navies are just really stylish. 100% cotton. This would be an adorable little shirt you could put on the bias. Wouldn't even have to worry about matching those plaids. And then this is a knit. It's a navy knit. It goes with everything. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful little top. This is 100% viscose. Just great drape. So $19.99. I'm so excited about these. Just right in time for fall. Perfect. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.